Welcome to luxury RoadLife Motors. Deep inside an isolated forest, untouched by human footsteps for decades, stood the silent remains of a once glorious 1980 automobile. Time had stripped away its shine, its beauty, and its purpose. The car was now nothing more than a forgotten relic swallowed by nature. Rust had taken over the body, the windows were shattered, the seats had decayed, and dried leaves were scattered across every inch of the interior. It looked like the ghost of a machine that had lived its life long ago. For years, rain, storms, and winter frost shaped its broken frame, turning it into a symbol of abandonment, until the year 2026 changed everything. A team of elite future tech engineers, known for restoring impossible machines, discovered the wreck during a research expedition. At first glance, it looked beyond repair. But instead of walking away, they saw a hidden opportunity, a vision to transform this lifeless scrap into a 2026 future-class luxury motorhome like the world had never seen. The journey began by carefully lifting the damaged vehicle out of the forest. Every broken part was removed, every rusted panel dismantled, and every inch of dirt cleaned. The engineers rebuilt the car's chassis from scratch, integrating a new reinforced frame capable of supporting luxury motorhome architecture. Next came the heart of the transformation, 2026 technology. The engineers equipped the vehicle with a smart electric drive system, AI-powered navigation, temperature-controlled environment management, solar-assisted charging systems, and an advanced digital cockpit with a panoramic interface. The mechanics worked day and night, merging classic engineering with futuristic innovation until the car was no longer just a vehicle, it was evolving into a masterpiece. The interior transformation was pure magic. What was once a destroyed cabin now became a royal living space crafted in white and gold mansion style. The bedroom was rebuilt with diamond-stitched bedding, soft warm lighting, golden trims, and a luxurious centerpiece ceiling. The kitchen was reimagined into a modern masterpiece with white gold cabinetry, marble textures, glowing counters, and smart appliances. The bathroom gained stunning marble gold walls, a deep soaking tub, and ambient golden light vanes. Every surface was designed with elegance and precision, turning the interior into a moving palace. What began as a silent corpse from 1980 was now a luxury road home of 2026, shining brighter than ever. When the final reveal came, the world was shocked. The abandoned relic had risen from decay and returned as a symbol of transformation, technology, and timeless beauty. Experts called it the greatest restoration project of the decade, while viewers around the world celebrated the story of how a rusty forgotten car became a future-class luxury motorhome palace. This iconic transformation proved one powerful truth: nothing is ever truly lost, sometimes it only awaits the right hands to be reborn. Thanks for watching our video. Tell us, what's the name of your favorite car? In the comments. Like and subscribe the channel Luxury RoadLife Motors.